Hi, Rainbow Girls. I think I might have told you in the past about that camel farm. I think I was going to start. I was going to breed camels and kangaroos. And then I was thinking, why not start another breeding farm for donkeys and elephants? So we're going to have two of them. I have to find backing, though. And I hope you have all of my songs and you're enjoying them. So this is the only song of mine I have memorized, and I have different versions of it. The different versions of it I don't have memorized, but I do have. This is the earliest. So let's see. So you park, you perch on the curbstone by the limestone church. Can't you tell? Slide the fat door across your brow. How the woman gonna wish you well. When you stroll up to the podium, jet lag twisting your brain. Calling all your father's orphans home. Church bells swing in the noontime rain. Tattoo parlor. Window dressing, splash to and fro with midnight mops. It's down from Canada, Medrick Hales, and all else fails explaining. Till the Frisco gal in gold trum shoes blows in from the west, wrapping her arms around our soul, knowing what all and only she know best. So who's gonna be our best book south? To the city of suits, canes, and ties, where all the new swap names and the pigeons down from their rooftop spire, me sitting my perch on the curbstone. Like a fedora. Across my brow. Good night now. God bless. And have a great year and a great life. And someday everything's going to be fine with this world. It's according to, I don't know, it's according to me. We're going to be much better off as we get more evolved. We're going to be nicer to each other, of course. So God bless and have a wonderful year and do whatever you can. What I think everybody should do is in supper time, put a nice Thanksgiving meal on everybody else's doorstep. Ring the doorbell or knock on the door and then just run down the street as fast as you can. Or just leave a note, tell them who it's from. After that goes on for a while, you catch on or something. I used to do Meals on Wheels, and that was a very rewarding job. And and I'd like to say everybody pray for my family, and God bless. And well, I'll see you all later now. You have a great night, and. Next time, if I haven't told you that story about the saddle, I'll tell you the story about the saddle and the mule and tell you now, I guess. It was Father's Day back 2,000 years ago, and the apostles wanted to buy Jesus a Father's Day present. So they went out with this, got him the present. And it was a saddle with the words, they had to, give it a title. So they had to say call it Streetcar Named Messiah. And this was the saddle that Jesus rode the mule around from town to town. And the modern archaeologists who recently found this saddle, and actually what's strange is they didn't find it in Israel, they found it in France, right near the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And it said that, Streetcar Named Messiah. Right? They realized this must be Jesus' lost saddle. They read about in Josephus or maybe some other ancient, newly discovered manuscripts. So that's a Streetcar Named Messiah. That's Jesus' saddle. So, if you've heard that joke before, I'm the one that originated it. So, good night and God bless. I love you, and you take care now.